Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snap Score is not updating. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snap Score is not updating, so let's see how you can easily fix that. The very first thing is that you just have to open your Snapchat, tap on your profile option in the top left corner, then tap on settings on clear icon in the top right corner. Just scroll down and look for the clear data option here. Select that, then select clear cache, tap on clear, and after that your bugs will be cleared from Snapchat app. After clearing cache, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open App Store, search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app, and after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed, open Snap Settings app here, go for General, go for iPhone Storage, look for Snapchat app, and you just have to try to offload your app. So after offloading, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.